Hello, my name is Oskar Kłosowski, and that's my project for second semester of software development course. Um, this is the first window of my application. It's simple GUI frame with few labels that are added to box layout and two buttons. I have two listeners, one for each button. First one, this one here, is for the labyrinth button and it opens a labyrinth window class. The second listener is for the second button, conventor, uh, which opens the conventor window class. I'm gonna talk about these classes later. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna click this button, labyrinth, and it opens the labyrinth window, class, and it's just a simple game. We're controlling the red dot by using W, S, A, and D buttons. Um, and the point of this game is to get to the green square located on the right side of the screen. There's collision detection, which means that I can't cross the black areas. I can just move around the gray areas. Um, yeah, and you made it. Press R to try again or Q to quit. So we're gonna press R and we're starting all over again, or I can press Q to quit the game. How does it work? So I have three classes for that game. Labyrinth window, that's the class that prints out the frame. So just the size of the frame, and that's pretty much it. The color of the background, but we can't really see the background. Yeah, that's it. Second class for that game is keyboard. This class extends key adapter, which binds all the buttons of on my keyboard. And if I press, for example, A, it moves the program to class labyrinth to the function left. If I press D, it moves the program to class labyrinth uh, to the method right, W to the method up, S to the method down, L to restart, and Q to quit. And the third um, class for this game is called just labyrinth. And what does this class do is printing all the graphics, so all the black squares and the ball, and it also creates rectangles because um, I need rectangles for collision detections because these are like physical, let's say, objects on my frame, where the this one here are just prints, just something that we can see, but they are not physical, so hmm, so I can't use them for collision detection. Then I have the if statement to see if O1, so the ball, intersects with any of these black areas, and if it does, then it moves it back to the previous position. Um, so it looks like the ball does not move. Um, here, this one here, it prints out the green screen and you made it. Press R to try again and Q to quit, which is visible if we're gonna make it to this square here. And then I have methods to move the ball around to the left, to the right, up and down. I do that by adding or subtracting 2 from current position of the ball. I have also restart button, so that's the one when I'm pressing the R. And what does it do? It moves current or it's changed the coordinates to the starting coordinates, which are saved as ints restart y and restart x. And yeah, I think that's it about that game. So I'm gonna quit the game by pressing Q. The second function of my project, Conventor, when I'm pressing that button, it moves me to Conventor window class. It contains whole GUI, and which I'm not gonna talk about because it's simple GUI, something that we did in first semester, so not much to explain. And that's the action listener for button OK. Oh, sorry, for button open, which is this button here. When I'm pressing it, this window appears, and here I can choose any text document, for example, project sample, which I created a few minutes ago, and it opens the file, it reads the content and prints it here in the text area. Now, if I'm gonna press convert text button, sorry, convert file button, it will change the text to binary number. I can also enter the text to this field here, for example, my name is Oscar, and when I'm gonna click convert text, it will convert the my name is Oscar to binary. Okay, so open button, that's this code here. When I'm clicking open, this code here kicks in. This line here creates that window, and then I'm choosing the file, for example this one. This line saves which file I chose. Then this line reads the file, and then I'm printing and then this line prints the file in JTA, which is this big window here. Whole code is in try catch statement, which checks if the file still exists, because I may open that window, choose the file, and in the same time delete this file. Okay. So now this one here, this action listener here, what does it do is it is getting the text from 1 second. It takes this text here from text area, and it is using the to binary string function to convert it to binary, and then prints it in the JTA window. Yeah, same about the other button, convert text, which is this one here, with the difference that instead of getting the text from text area, it takes it from this field here. And yeah, that's it. That's my project. Thank you.